Hello and welcome to the Manufacturing Make Strides podcast, where we explore the world of manufacturing, speaking with experts from across the industry to bring you actionable tips and strategies to help you take strides in your journey. I'm excited today to be joined by Craig Higton, who's a seasoned manufacturing professional who spent his career improving processes and bridging that gap between design and production.
Understand if your product line, whatever product you're working on, understand if you're winning or losing every day. And if you understand that, did we win today? Did we get where we needed to be today? If you're winning, great. And then do that every day. Did we win today or did we lose today? And if you lost, understand why you lost and what are you going to do about it to make up on the next day? Because every day is, in manufacturing is important. But being able to articulate whether you won is the first step, and then numerate it wherever possible, and then doing something about it is the next step.
Based on that kind of description of the winning or losing, should you be winning every day? And that's a bit of a balance. You don't want to be losing every day, do you? You want it to make it to be achieved, but you don't want to be winning every day.
Winning isn't going faster, because there's no benefit in going faster. We burn people out. Winning is, if you said you're going to do 10 a day, do 10 a day. There's no benefit in doing 12, 13. Set the product line up so we do 10 every day. That's winning. We do what we say we do. And I think that is manufacturing.
That's just a preview of what we cover in this episode. If you're in manufacturing and you want to hear real conversations that'll get you thinking, keep you moving, and remind you why this industry matters, listen to the full episode on Spotify and Apple Podcasts. Links are in the description.